Hey, welcome back, Taylor Cooks. Yesterday we made an amazing pasta bake. I don't know whether you saw it or not. If you haven't seen it, you need to watch it. I'll give you a quick recap here in a moment of what we actually made. This was what went inside it, and we covered it with Parmesan cheese and mozzarella, and we put it in the oven, and we had it with stuffed potatoes, and it was fantastic. What's left there is what you'd actually make in a pot pie, basically. And you can put a crust over it if you want to. Well, if you can put a crust over it, why can't you put a crust underneath it and make it into a proper pie? Oh, cue music. Yeah, so the chicken and pasta bake yesterday, the taste was fantastic. You might have seen me put garlic in and what have you. If you haven't seen it, or you've not seen it yet, or you want a quick recap, have a look at this. This is how we made it very quickly. But like I said, what's left? We'll feed again another 3 or 4 people. So what I'm going to do this time is make it into a pie, and we're going to have it with some chips for tea. That sounds good. This is how we do it. Excellent, really easy to do. Again, leftovers. Found some cream in the fridge. So add a little bit of cream to it. Let me get a spoon. And we can just loosen it up and mix it around like we did before. Yes, the taste of this, I can even smell it now because it had plenty of garlic in it. And it smelled amazing. And then when we came to eat it, it tasted amazing too. So you had your pasta, your panini, and your chicken in there and everything else. So that's going to be what we did yesterday, and like I said, the links are up there if you want to watch yesterday's one, which was amazing. And we need to get our ready-made pastry out. Ready-made pastry. And before that, I'm just going to give these pie tins a quick spray. Here it is, shop bought puff pastry. Seen me do this before. Looking at this, there's going to be enough left over for another one. There we go. Still some left. A little bit of egg wash just on the lip. All the way down. With air holes. There it is. That's one down. Get it closer. One down, and I'll do the other one. We'll get them in the oven, and then we'll have it for tea. So I managed to get 3 big pies out of that. I didn't really have enough pastry, I had to get some more pastry. I'm sticking them in the oven, and that's going to be for tea. And I dare say one's going to be for dinner for Mrs. Taylor Cooks tomorrow, I can imagine. Right, let's get them in.